from the New Model High School Project Day, and the prize distribution day has been celebrated today in the Urdu Maskan, our New Model High School, which is in Dudh Boli, Chandra Badri, Namusa Boli. Project we have distributed 700 prizes to the students for their performance in the academics, sports, literacy, and many more events.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चॉइस न्यूज खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में आपका खैर मकदम है। आप हैं चॉइस न्यूज चीफ एडिटर मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर के साथ। पेश खिदमत है ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
Today we have celebrated from the New Model High School Project Day, and the prize distribution day has been celebrated today in the Urdu Maskan, our New Model High School, which is in Dudh Boli, Chandra Badri, Namusa Boli. Project we have distributed 700 prizes to the students for their performance in the academics, sports, literacy, and many more events. All the parents have given their full support, and with the help of the teachers, we have successfully conducted the project day today and the prize distribution. In this we have distributed more than 700 prizes to the students, and the parents have came in a huge crowd. I would like to congratulate all the parents, all the participants, and all the prize winners, those who have won the prizes today. And I would like to thank all the teachers and the parents for their support and for the successful conducting of this program. Thank you from the management of New Model High School. Thank you.
कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा, मैं है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की, जहाँ भोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम
इस खुसूसी रिपोर्ट को हमारे नुमाइंदे मीर हैदर अली ने आप तक पहुंचाया। अब चॉइस न्यूज चीफ एडिटर मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर को इजाजत दीजिए।